Hello everyone. Today we will learn about cardiovascular drugs. Cardiovascular drugs exam definition: any agent that affects the function of the heart and blood vessels. Cardiovascular drugs are used for their action on heart or on other parts of vascular system to modify the total output of heart or the distribution of blood to a certain part of circulatory system. कार्डिओवॅस्क्युलर ड्रग्स म्हणजे असे काही एजंट्स आहेत ते हार्ट अँड ब्लड वेसल्सच्या फंक्शनवरती अफेक्ट करतात. ओके, cardiovascular drugs are used in the treatment of various cardiac disorders like angina pectoris. Angina pectoris म्हणजे chest pain, hypertension, high blood pressure, arrhythmia. Arrhythmia means disturbance of cardiac rhythm, and myocardial infarction and congestive heart failure, etc. Next, classification. First, cardiotonic drugs. Examples: digitalis, cardiac glycosides. Next, anti-anginal drugs or vasodilators. Examples are organic nitrates, glycerol, trinitrate. Antihypertensive drugs. First, Rauwolfia alkaloids. Example, reserpine. Ganglionic blockers. Example, hexamethonium chloride, guanethidine. Next, centrally acting drugs, methyl dopa. Alpha blockers, prazosin, phentolamine, phenoxybenzamine. Beta blockers, propranolol, atenolol, metoprolol. Alpha beta blockers, labetalol. ACE means angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors, captopril and enalapril. Next, calcium channel blockers, diltiazem, verapamil, nifedipine. Diuretics, chlorthiazides, furosemide. Antiarrhythmic drugs, quinidine, lignocaine, amiodarone. Anti-hyperlipidemic drugs, clofebrate, simvastatin and atorvastatin, etc. And other drugs are anticoagulants, hypoglycemic and thyroid hormones. Okay. First, cardiotonics. Cardiotonics म्हणजे these are the drugs which have stimulating action on the cardiac muscles and they increase the force of muscle contraction without increasing oxygen consumption. The cardiotonics means in short are the drugs used to increase the efficiency or capability and improve the contraction of the heart muscle. Heart muscleचं जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन आहे ते इम्प्रूव्ह करतं अँड त्याची इफिशियन्सी म्हणजे जी कॅपॅबिलिटी आहे ती इन्क्रीज करतं. अशा ड्रग्सना कार्डिओटॉनिक्स असं म्हणतात. कार्डियक ग्लायकोसाइड्स ऑन हायड्रोलिसिस इल्ड कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग शुगर अँड अग्लायकॉन्स. म्हणजे ड्युरिंग ॲक्वियस एक्स्ट्रॅक्शन द ग्लायकोसाइड्स आर डिकम्पोज्ड इनटू अग्लायकॉन अँड शुगर मॉइटीज. Glycosides are decomposed into aglycon and sugar moieties. So aglycon and aglycon moieties get hydrolyzed. Hydrolyzed म्हणजे breakdown by chemical reaction with water. आता हायड्रोलिसिस प्रोडक्ट्स सांगितलेले आहेत ग्लायकोसाइड्सचे. फर्स्ट आहे डिजिटॉक्सिन. डिजिटॉक्सिन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ हायड्रोलिसिस शुगर आहे. 3 molecules of digitoxis. अग्लायकॉन मध्ये डिजिटॉक्सिजेनिन. नेक्स्ट ग्लायकोसाइड डिगॉक्सिन. 3 molecules of digitoxis and अग्लायकॉन डिगॉक्सिजेनिन. थर्ड लॅनाटोसाइड of hydrolysis sugar. First 2 molecules of digitoxis, 1 molecule of acetyl digitoxis and 1 molecule of glucose and aglycon moiety digoxygenin. Next, digitoxin. First compound properties are white crystalline powder, odorless, practically insoluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. First, uses. It increases force of myocardial contraction, increases vagal activity and directly acts on vascular smooth muscles and reduces conductivity of heart through AV node. First use बघा, it increases force of myocardial contraction increases vagal activity and directly acts on vascular smooth muscle. आणि कंडक्टिव्हिटी जी आहे, कंडक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ हार्ट थ्रू AV नोड ती रिड्यूस करते, रिड्यूसेस कंडक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ हार्ट थ्रू AV नोड. नेक्स्ट यूज, इट इज यूज्ड एज कार्डियोटॉनिक टू ट्रीट CHF congestive heart failure and to treat arterial fibrillation and arterial flutter. आता arterial fibrillation means is the most common type of heart arrhythmia. During arterial fibrillation, the heart can beat too fast or too slow or with an irregular rhythm. Okay, beating जे आहे ते कधी कधी too fast, कधी too slow किंवा irregular rhythm. Okay, it's called as arterial fibrillation. And arterial flutter means a condition in which the heart's upper chambers beat too quickly. It's called as arterial flutter. Next, dosage forms: digitoxin tablets, digitoxin injection, and brand names are Digimerc and Digitox. Next, digitoxin stability and storage. It is affected by atmospheric oxygen and light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Next compound आहे digoxin. Properties: colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless, practically insoluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. Uses सेम आहे, डिजिटॉक्सिनचे जे युजेस आहेत तेच इथे आहेत. इट इन्क्रीजेस फोर्स ऑफ मायोकार्डियल कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन, इन्क्रीजेस व्हॅगल ॲक्टिव्हिटी and directly acts on vascular smooth muscles and reduces conductivity of heart through AV node. It is used as cardiotonic to treat CHF, congestive heart failure, and to treat arterial fibrillation and arterial flutter. Next, stability and storage. It is affected by atmospheric oxygen and light and hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Dosage forms are digoxin injection, digoxin tablets, digoxin elixir, digoxin pediatric oral suspension. Brand names are Lanacardine and Cardiogoxin. Next आहे Gitoxin. Stability, storage and uses as under digitoxin. Properties are white to pale buff amorphous powder, slightly soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol. Next, dosage forms: Gitoxin tablets, brand names Dinocard. Next, Oabane. Properties: colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless. Uses आहेत as under digitoxin. Dosage forms: Oabane injection, brand names Strodival. Next, antiarrhythmic drugs. Antiarrhythmic drugs किंवा antiarrhythmic agents definition: the agent which are used to correct cardiac arrhythmias are called as antiarrhythmic drugs. In short, antiarrhythmic agents that are used to suppress abnormal rhythms of the heart such as arterial fibrillation, arterial flutter, ventricular tachycardia and ventricular fibrillation. Okay, cardiac arrhythmia. First of all, what is meant by arrhythmia? An arrhythmia is a problem with the rate or rhythm of the heartbeat. Okay, during an arrhythmia, the heart can beat too fast, too slow, or with an irregular rhythm. A heartbeat that is too fast is called tachycardia, and heartbeat that is too slow is called bradycardia. Classification: first, membrane stabilizing agent. Examples are quinidine, procainamide, diisopyramide, phenytoin. Second, beta blockers, propranolol. Next, drugs that prolong the duration of action potential. Example, amiodarone. Next, calcium channel blockers. Examples, verapamil, amlodipine and diltiazem. First compound, quinidine. Properties are its sulfate salt has white needle-like crystals, odorless, bitter taste, sparingly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Official preparations are quinidine tablets. Brand names Fenipam and Natcardine. Stability and storage. It darkens on exposure to light and hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. म्हणजे क्विनिडीन जेव्हा लाईटमध्ये किंवा उजेडात ठेवलं तर त्याचा कलर जो आहे तो डार्क होतो, म्हणून डार्क कलर बॉटलमध्ये स्टोअर केलं जातं. Uses for treatment and prophylaxis of first paroxysmal ventricular tachycardia. Paroxysmal ventricular tachycardia means it is a type of abnormal heart rhythm or arrhythmia. काय आहे? Abnormal heart rhythm and arrhythmia. Next, cardiac arrhythmia including त्याच्यामध्ये atrial fibrillation आहे, atrial flutter and premature systole. तर systole म्हणजे heart contraction. Okay. Next, extrasystolic arterial tachycardia. Extrasystolic arterial tachycardia means extra heartbeats or contraction. Next, in thyrotoxicosis in which fibrillation persists after thyroidectomy. Thyrotoxicosis म्हणजे in this condition have a low level of thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay, and thyroidectomy म्हणजे एक सर्जरी आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये रिमूवल ऑफ ऑल और पार्ट ऑफ थायरॉइड ग्लँड. फॉर एक्झाम्पल गॉयटर असेल तर किंवा ट्यूमर असेल तर ती सर्जरी केली जाते. नेक्स्ट, टू मेंटेन सायनस रिदम. आता सायनस रिदम म्हणजे हा एक नॅचरल पेसमेकर आहे आपल्या हार्टमध्ये, नॅचरल पेसमेकर ऑफ द हार्ट. द पेस ऑफ हार्ट बीट दॅट सेट्स बाय द सायनस नोड. तो सायनस रिदम जो आहे तो मेंटेन केला जातो. ओके. Next, used as an alternative to quinine to treat malaria. Next, procainamide. Procainamide properties: white or yellowish white crystalline powder, odorless, hygroscopic. Hygroscopic means tending to absorb moisture from the air, very soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. Next, stability and storage. It is stable in air but it's hygroscopic, hence it is stored in tightly closed containers. Dosage forms are procainamide tablets, procainamide injection. Brand names are Pronestin. Uses for treatment and prophylaxis of paroxysmal ventricular tachycardia, cardiac arrhythmia including atrial fibrillation, atrial flutter and premature systoles. Systoles म्हणजे मगाशी मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं हार्ट कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन. ओके. नेक्स्ट, extrasystolic arterial tachycardia means extra heartbeats or contraction to maintain sinus rhythm. Sinus rhythm म्हणजे the pace of the heartbeat that's set by the sinus node. Next, antihypertensive drugs. Any agent used for reducing elevated blood pressure is known as antihypertensive agent or hypotensive agent. Antihypertensive म्हणजे हायपरटेन्शनमध्ये हे अँटीहायपरटेन्सिव्ह ड्रग्स यूज केले जातात. आता हायपरटेन्शन मीन्स हाय सिस्टमिक ब्लड प्रेशर ड्यू टू डिफेक्ट इन हिमोडायनॅमिक फंक्शन. ओके. Hemodynamic means it is a physiology that deals with the circulation of blood. Okay. WHO, World Health Organization, has defined hypertension as a state in which systolic pressure, that is 150 mm of Hg, and diastolic pressure, it is a 95 mm of Hg. Next, classification. Antihypertensive agent can be classified as follows. First, centrally acting agents, example alpha methyl dopa, clonidine. Ganglion blockers, example pentolinium and mecamilamine. Next, adrenergic neuron blockers, example reserpine and guanethidine. Next, beta adrenergic blockers, propranolol, atenolol. Alpha adrenergic blockers, prazosin and tolazolone. Direct acting vasodilators, hydralazine and minoxidil. Calcium channel blockers, verapamil. And angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors, captopril, enalapril maleate. Next, antihypertensive drugs. First compound, methyl dopa. Properties: white to yellowish white fine powder, odorless, tasteless, sparingly soluble in water, very soluble in dilute HCl. Storage: it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Dosage forms: methyl dopa tablets. Brand names are M-dopa, Mel-dopa and Elmate. Uses: to control blood pressure in primary hypertension. Next, to control renal hypertension. Renal hypertension means is also called as renovascular hypertension. Is high blood pressure caused by the narrowing of arteries that carry blood to kidneys. Where kidney diseases cause high blood pressure. Okay, is called as renal hypertension. Next, to treat hypertension in pregnancy. Next, to reduce hot flushes in postmenopausal women. Okay, मेनोपॉज पिरियड म्हणजे स्त्रियांची जी मासिक पाळी आहे ती बंद होते त्यावेळीचा जो पिरियड आहे त्याला मेनोपॉज असं म्हणतात. त्यावेळी टू रिड्यूस हॉट फ्लशेस मीन्स ए सडन वेव ऑफ माइल्ड और इंटेंस बॉडी हीट caused by hormonal changes. Next, to treat pheochromocytoma. Pheochromocytoma means secreting tumor that can occur in the adrenal glands or a small vascular tumor of the adrenal medulla. Pheochromocytoma means it is a small vascular tumor of the adrenal medulla. And carcinoid tumor means a slow growing cancerous tumor that can grow in several places throughout the body. Okay, and a carcinoid tumor begins in the stomach, appendix, small intestine, colon, rectum and lungs. Next compound, clonidine. Properties: white to off-white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste, soluble in water, stable in light air and heat. Storage: it is stored in well-closed containers. Dosage forms: clonidine tablets, clonidine injection. Uses: to treat moderate primary hypertension. Second, to treat dysmenorrhea. Dysmenorrhea means it is a painful periods or menstrual cramps during menstruation. Next, for prophylaxis of migraine and cluster headache. Migraine म्हणजे आपण अर्धशिशी म्हणतो त्याला. And cluster headache means it is a neurological disorder. It is a severe headache on the side of the head, typically around the eye. Next, to treat postmenopausal vasomotor instability. Vasomotor instability, it is also referred to as hot flushing, sweating and heart palpitation during menopause. It's called as postmenopausal vasomotor instability. Next, for management of opiate addiction. Opiate addiction means the body can develop dependence. Next, brand names: Hyperdyne. Next brand name, Acramine. Next compound, guanethidine. Properties: its monosulfate salt is white to off-white crystalline powder, odorless, sparingly soluble in water, practically insoluble in chloroform. Dosage forms are guanethidine tablets and guanethidine eye drops. Storage, it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Next, uses, it is used to first control all forms of hypertension, that is moderate to severe hypertension. Okay. Next, to treat renal hypertension. Next, treat hypertensive toxemia of pregnancy. Toxemia means एखाद्या विषामुळे झालेला रक्तदोष, that is blood poisoning by toxins from a local bacterial infection is called as toxemia. Toxemia means blood poisoning by toxins from a local bacterial infection. Next, to treat dysthyroid lead retraction. Lead retraction means eye surgery आहे. The upper or lower eyelid margins are drawn back from the normal position. Okay. Next, treat glaucoma. Glaucoma म्हणजे आपण त्याला मराठीत काच बिंदू असं म्हणतो. It is a condition of increased pressure within the eyeball. Okay. किंवा it is a group of eye diseases which results in damage to the optic nerve and cause vision loss. It's called as glaucoma. Brand name Ismeli. Next compound, reserpine. Properties: white to slightly yellow crystals or crystalline powder, practically insoluble in water and but freely soluble in chloroform. Stability and storage. It darkens slowly on exposure to light but more rapidly in aqueous solution. So hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Brand names: Serapsil, Adelphane, Gerbolem. Uses: to treat mild hypertension associated with tachycardia. Next, as a sedative in mild anxiety state, as a antipsychotic for management of grossly disturbed psychosis and also in chronic psychosis. Grossly disturbed psychosis means त्याच्यामध्ये includes difficulty in behavior, activities in daily living, unpredictable agitation, silliness, bizarre behavior. बिझर बिहेवियर म्हणजे विचित्र वर्तणूक करणारे जे पेशंट्स असतात ते, त्यांना ग्रॉसली डिस्टर्ब सायकोसिस असं म्हणतात. नेक्स्ट, टू ट्रीट रेनॉल्ड्स फिनॉमिनॉन. रेनॉल्ड्स फिनॉमिना, इट इज ए कंडिशन इन विच सम एरियाज ऑफ द बॉडी फील नम म्हणजे बधीर झाल्यासारखं वाटतं, अँड कूल. एरिया आहेत फिंगर्स अँड टोज. नेक्स्ट, इट इज यूज्ड फॉर स्नेक बाईट. Dosage forms: reserpine tablets, reserpine sustained released capsules. Next compound, hydralazine. Hydralazine properties: white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter saline taste, soluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol. Dosage forms: hydralazine tablets and hydralazine injection. Uses: it is used to treat moderate to severe hypertension. Next, for chronic control of essential hypertension. Third, for acute control of hypertensive emergencies and to improve CHF. CHF means congestive heart failure. Brand names are Hyperazine, Hyperazine and Alazine. Next, nifedipine. Properties: yellow crystalline substances, practically insoluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol, very soluble in chloroform. Dosage forms: nifedipine capsules. Brand names are Myogard, Nicardia and Nifedil. Uses: it is used to treat hypertension, that is essential hypertension, renal hypertension and hypertension in pregnancy. नेक्स्ट इस्चेमिक हार्ट डिसीजेस लाईक एंजायना पेक्टोरिस आहे, एंजायना पेक्टोरिस लाईक चेस्ट पेन अँड मायोकार्डियल इन्फ्रॅक्शन्स. नेक्स्ट आर्थ्रिओस्क्लेरोसिस, नेक्स्ट रेनॉल्ड सिंड्रोम अँड एक्सरसाइज इंड्यूस्ड अस्थमा. नेक्स्ट कंपाउंड कैप्टोप्रिल. Properties: white crystals, freely soluble in water and alcohol. Storage: it is tightly closed containers. Dosage forms: captopril tablets. Uses: it is used to treat mild to moderate essential hypertension. फक्त इथे essential hypertension नोट केलेला आहे. ओके. नेक्स्ट रिनल हायपरटेन्शन आहे, रिफ्रॅक्टरी CHF, कंजेस्टिव्ह हार्ट फेल्युअर, डायबेटिक प्रोटेन्युरा म्हणजेच डायबेटिक प्रोटेन्युरिया, हॅव्हिंग टू मच प्रोटीन इन द युरिन, म्हणजे इन दिस कंडिशन हॅव्हिंग टू मच प्रोटीन इन द युरिन विच रिझल्ट्स फ्रॉम डॅमेज विदिन द किडनी. नेक्स्ट इट ऑल्सो इलिव्हेट्स मूड इन डिप्रेस्ड पेशंट, मूड इलिव्हेट करण्याचं काम करतं. नेक्स्ट ब्रँड नेम्स कॅपोटेन. Next pentolinium tartrate. Properties are white or almost white powder, odorless, acidic taste. Dosage forms pentolinium injection and brand names are Ansolicin, किंवा Ansolicin. Uses: used to treat severe or malignant hypertension. Next, due to parasympathetic blockade, that is it reduces movements of GI tract and bladder and also reduces gastric and salivary secretion. Okay. It produces peripheral vasodilation and used in the treatments of hypertensive encephalopathy and eclampsia. फर्स्ट बघा, मॅलिग्नंट हायपरटेन्शन. फर्स्ट युजेसमध्ये काय सांगितलं आहे, यूज टू ट्रीट सिव्हिअर अँड मॅलिग्नंट. मॅलिग्नंट म्हणजे एक्स्ट्रीमली हाय, ओके, एक्स्ट्रीमली हाय ब्लड प्रेशर इज कॉल्ड ॲज मॅलिग्नंट हायपरटेन्शन. नेक्स्ट पॅरासिम्पॅथेटिक ब्लॉकेड म्हणजे एजंट्स दॅट इनहिबिट द ॲक्शन्स ऑफ द पॅरासिम्पॅथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टीम. नेक्स्ट encephalopathy. Encephalopathy means any disorder or disease of the brain. Okay, म्हणजे ते a disease in which the functioning of the brain is affected by some agents or condition such as viral infection or toxins in the blood. म्हणजे एन्सेफॅलोपॅथी हे डिसऑर्डर किंवा डिसीजेस आहेत ब्रेनचे. ओके. नेक्स्ट eclampsia. Eclampsia means a condition in which one or more convulsions occur in a pregnant woman suffering from high BP. Eclampsia म्हणजे फीट किंवा आकडी येत असताना जी आपली जी गंभीर परिस्थिती होते, जी गंभीर अवस्था होते त्याला eclampsia असं म्हणतात. नेक्स्ट कंपाउंड मिकॅमिलामाइन हायड्रोक्लोराइड. Properties: white crystalline powder, odorless, freely soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Dosage forms: micamelamine tablets. Brand names: Enversine. Uses: used to treat severe and malignant hypertension due to parasympathetic blockade. It reduces movements of GI tract and bladder and also reduces gastric and salivary secretion. It produces peripheral vasodilation. Used in the treatments of hypertensive encephalopathy and eclampsia. Next आहे lipid lowering agents, also called as anti-hyperlipidemic agents. Definition: drugs which are used to reduce the elevated levels of the lipids in the blood. ब्लड मधली जी लिपिडची लेवल आहे ती जर वाढलेली असेल तर ती रिड्यूस करण्यासाठी जे ड्रग्स यूज केले जातात त्यांना लिपिड लोअरिंग एजंट्स असं म्हणतात. हायपरलिपिडेमिया मीन्स it is the condition characterized by elevated plasma lipid level in the form of lipoproteins. Next, first compound, clofibrin. It is clear, almost colorless liquid. It has a characteristic odor. It is having acrid taste first and then become sweet. म्हणजे first acrid taste येते and next sweet. It is very slightly miscible in water and miscible in alcohol, and it is heat stable. Brand names are Lipomide and Atromid. Uses: it is used in the treatment of type 3 hyperlipoproteinemia. Hyperlipoproteinemia means it is a condition in which there are high levels of fat particles in the blood. Next, it is used in the treatment of severe hypertriglyceridemia. It is used in the treatment of severe hypertriglyceridemia. Triglyceridemia means hypertriglyceridemia means a high level of certain type of fat, that is triglycerides in the blood. It is also used in long-term treatment and prophylaxis of coronary heart disease. Next, official preparations: clofibrate, IP and BP, Indian Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmacopoeia. And next, clofibrate capsules, IP and BP. Next आहे vasodilators. Vasodilators are medications that open or dilate blood vessels. किंवा the drugs causing dilation of blood vessels are called as vasodilators. They may be categorized as peripheral vasodilators and coronary vasodilators. Peripheral vasodilator, these drugs have direct dilatory action on peripheral blood vessels. Example आहे tolazolene. And second, coronary vasodilators, they act directly on smooth muscles to produce relaxation without paralyzing the muscle. They are mainly used to treat angina pectoris. Hence, they are called as anti-anginal drugs also. Okay. Example: glyceryl trinitrate and ethyl nitrite. First, glyceryl trinitrate, also called as nitroglycerin. Properties: clear, colorless, oily, volatile liquid, odorless, sweet taste, slightly soluble in water and glycerol, freely soluble in alcohol. Dosage forms: first, glyceryl trinitrate tablets, concentrated glyceryl trinitrate solution. Next, glyceryl trinitrate lingual aerosis. Uses: for prophylaxis and relief of angina pectoris, to treat unstable angina, for relief of coronary artery spasm. Next, to treat acute cardiac pulmonary edema. Cardiac pulmonary edema means it is caused by increased pressure in the heart. Okay, and pulmonary edema, it is a condition caused by excess fluid in the lungs. Next, to treat myocardial infarction, to treat CHF, that is congestive heart failure. For relief of esophageal spasm. Esophageal spasm, that contraction of esophagus are irregular and uncoordinated and sometimes powerful. Next, to treat post-operative hypertension. Brand names: trinitrine. Thank you. बघा, कार्डिओव्हास्क्युलर ड्रग्समध्ये दोन कंपाऊंडचे स्ट्रक्चर्स आहेत. फर्स्ट आपण बघणार आहोत प्रोकेनामाइड. स्ट्रक्चर अमाइनो C double bond O NH CH2 CH2 N Okay, numbering 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, chemical name बघा 4 amino and 2 diethyl amino ethyl benzamide. बघा 4 amino, 4 पोझिशन ला काय आहे अमाइनो ग्रुप आहे and 2 diethyl amino and second position 2 diethyl amino ethyl हा ethyl ग्रुप आहे and benzamide ring COO and NH is a benzamide म्हणून 4 amino and 2 diethyl amino ethyl benzamide. Second compound methyl group. Phenyl ring, hydroxy group, CH3, NH2, COOH. Numbering 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Chemical name 2 amino 3 4 dihydroxyphenyl 2 methyl propionic acid. बघा 2 amino 2 पोझिशन ला अमाइनो ग्रुप आहे 3 4 dihydroxy phenyl. ओके, राहिलं काय 2 methyl propionic acid 2 methyl सेकंड पोझिशन ला मिथाइल ग्रुप सुद्धा अटॅच आहे and propionic acid means propane 3 कार्बन 1 2 3 so propionic acid CH2COOH 2 amino 3 4 dihydroxyphenyl